So the crew of SV Corsair is going to deliver this Cape Dory 33 from Portsmouth, Virginia to Herrington Harbour North, just south of Annapolis, Maryland. And we're gonna try to sail straight through. It's about 8:30 a.m. on Saturday morning, and we're gonna cast off in an hour or so from Portsmouth, and we have favorable winds. We intend to sail 20 to 22 hours directly to Herrington Harbour North. So this should be a fun adventure. It's a beautiful boat, very well taken care of. Cape Dory 33s are known for having a very sea-kindly motion and sailing very well. So we're looking forward to this little adventure, and we're happy for you to come aboard and join us as we sail SV Sirius up the Chesapeake Bay. So we're departing Portsmouth Boating Center. Big gray boats. Okay, so we're just clear of the mouth of Hampton Roads Harbor, poised to the main. We're still under motor because we get beat up in the harbor, so it's confused. We're sort of heading really still into a pretty stiff breeze. We're going about another nautical mile, and we're going to make our turn to the north, and that will kill the engine. We'll roll the jet. We should have a great run. This wind holds up. It's about, looks like it's maybe 12 to 14 going out of the east. Okay, so we made our turn to the north. Genoa. Got a nice sort of close reach going here. Close reach.
Destiny is a rising sun. Oh, I was born, 6 gun in my hand, behind a gun, I make my final stand. Why they call me bad company, and I can't deny bad company till the day I die. Oh, till the day I die. Till the day I die. Rebel souls, deserters we are called. Chose a gun and threw away the sword. Now these towns, they all know our name. 6 gun sound is our claim to fame. I can hear them say
Can't see it, but that's a big cruise liner going down the bay in the middle of the night. Probably wondering what I'm doing.
Bad company till the day I die. Oh yes, tell me young and I'm free. Oh, but I'm a bad company. That's the way I play. Dirty for dirty. Somebody got me wrong. Everyone cries, yeah, the bad company.
Sails straight through the night. Done 110 nautical miles. Have 15 nautical miles to go. You can see Herring Point just in front of us. Here we are, pulling into Herring Bay, and just a short distance over there is Herrington Harbour